Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Without wasting your time, let's start my video. Here you can see hundred of new haircuts for beautiful and wonderful ladies. As you are watching, all the haircuts are superb stylish, amazing, as well as easy to cut. So guys, please watch my video till the end. So you can see every and each latest and trendy short haircut, short hairstyle, hair dye coloring ideas. So guys, in my video, you can know about the latest trends of short haircuts, hairstyles, and hair dye coloring ideas only in my all-in-one channel. Guys, please do support me by sharing my video with all your friends and family groups. I'm sure they will also like and enjoy my video. My video will be very useful for them too. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting and lovable videos. Hit the bell icon so you can get the notification of all of my videos. And of course, hit the like button because I'm sure you like my video. Here's in my video, you can see haircuts for round face, oval face, square face, chibi face, jawline face, and almost all the types of faces. So you can take a lot of ideas which type of haircut is suitable for you and which type of haircut you like. Guys, in nowadays where everyone is busy and no one has enough time for selecting and searching the best haircut for themselves, you can only watch my video and select haircut, hairstyle, and hair dye color ideas for yourself. Guys, I'm sure this video will be very useful for you. I always try to bring something very special and very beautiful for you. So guys, please give your precious feedback in comment section. Give me your suggestions, your opinions, so I can improve my work. I promise you I will fulfill your advices. Once again, I request you please subscribe my channel so I can bring for you more beautiful, more stylish short haircuts, short hairstyles, and short hair dye color ideas. And tell me which type of haircut you love. My video will be very helpful for the fashion lovers who always want to look beautiful and gorgeous, elegant, even in short hairs. Moreover, short hair look beautiful and they take a very short time to style them. So you can take the screenshot of your favorite one and also cut your hair by your nearby salons. I hope these haircuts are very beautiful and amazing for you. Guys, keep watching my videos for more beautiful, more trendy, and more latest hairstyles. My all videos is all about the short haircut. I always try to bring something very beautiful, something very special and new for you. You can select haircuts according to your desire. These all haircuts are very pretty and give a very elegant look even in your offices, your parties, even in homes. They are trendy and latest haircuts which I bring for you. Take care of yourself and your family. Goodbye till the next video.